Yeah, wiener, yeah. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Hey there, you little wiener. Welcome to my ship, and take your wiener.
Oh, shit.
Hey Bouncy, look at this cool egg I found.
What the fuck? You didn't tell me about no fucking egg. Shit.
Well, you didn't have to touch me for gagging.
You fucking farter. I don't think I've ever had anyone play Fesher's Quest in front of me like that. And not to mention, you have an egg.
Hey, just fucking tell me about the egg.
That's kind of
Fucking
weird.
big, fat,
Did you lay it or something? That's kind of fucking weird.
Such a wiener. I'm just gonna sort this in colors.
There's no more egg. It's over. Rude arguments. Oh. Oh.
Hey, what are you doing with that?
It's the new hot dog game, recommended for ages 7 through 29. It's the latest Kino craze.
It's not safe to gun without your Cuphead license, you know?
Don't worry, I got this. I was born with 2008 shaped eyes. My aim is comparable to Call of Duty. Now, what do I press to shoot now?
Oh, you didn't get the Cuphead perfect then. You know, that little Cuphead squee rank? Yeah. What did I just tell you?
Ugh, you're right. I hate Cuphead. It's a Reddit.
What's that doing?
Recommended for newbies aged 7 to 29 to buy the game. This is the
Operating
latest
a
Kino
robbery
track game.
without a safety certificate is
Don't
unsafe.
worry.
Did you
This
know?
is the only chance. I was born with 24 pairs of yen eyes. My shooting is as accurate as summoning the dead. So why do we still need
Thank
Dark
you.
Force
Please
power
don't
now?
hesitate to like, subscribe, share, and support Ming Jing.
Is it the Shiobei-2 machine? I just told you to come and look for it.
Oh, you're right. I hate Cuphead. It's really frustrating.